Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. My name is Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer in the CAD NEST. Today I'm just going to discuss about a Revit topic here. So today I'm just going to discuss about how to create a grid line. So here, what is the use of grid line? Means the grid line we are going to place in a floor plan to create a wall exactly in the position, and we are going to place a column in that position. Right, for that purpose we are going to use a grid line here. So for that one, what you can do here, so in level 1 what I'll do here in architecture tab, you can see that grid line option here. If I click on this grid line here, now I can place one horizontal grid line, okay, like this, and you can click one vertical grid line. If I place like this here, now after that one here, if you want to create more grid lines like a plan, if you wanted to create it, see how we are going to use in a AutoCAD, that is in a construction line. Same thing by using this one also we are going to do this one. So I'll take this one as grid line. I'll take this one here, this is 4000, 400. I'll take this enter here. Then you can take a pick line and you can where you want it, from here to here. If you want 3400, you can take here. And I'm just going to take again this, I'll change this value for this one as a 2300. I'll take enter. Now I'll click on this one again, from here to here I want 2300. Now I'll take this again and take this dimension here, that is 4500. I'll take once if I'll enter here. Now again you can take this one. If once if I'll click again, if you wanted to take from here to here this distance, if you want to take like 5300, I'll take this one. Now click on this. Now again if you wanted to take this one as in 1350, if I'll 450, yeah, 340 if I'll take, again you can take here. Now after taking this each and everything here, this grid lines here, now see, if you wanted to reduce the length of this grid line here, then you can select one grid line here. From this one you can select the track and click on the point here. Now same thing in even this one also, if you want, select this circle, small circle, and drag, and you can place here. Okay, so like that you can create just you can place this grid line here. So by using this you can create a grid line here. So in floor plans only we are going to create a grid line. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.